Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change your oil on a 1984 Honda ATC 185. Before I get started, I did want to show off this rack that I made. It's homemade. Okay, so the drain plug is down here underneath the recoil. Right there. You're going to need a 23 millimeter socket. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. You're going to want to loosen it. There is the drain plug. One thing I like to do when it starts to get at the end and it's a very light stream, I like to take the three-wheeler and tilt it towards that side to make sure all that old There is a filter back behind the drain plug. You can go ahead and pull it out and inspect it for any metal shavings to get a good idea on how healthy the engine is or if it needs a rebuild or anything like that. But when you take out the drain plug, there's a spring back behind it holding the filter in there, and the filter is in there like that, pointing towards the drain plug, so it goes back together like this. So now that the oil is all drained out, you can go ahead and put the filter and the spring back in there. Go ahead and put your drain plug back on there. It may be a little bit difficult to get it started because of the pressure from the spring holding the filter on. You will want to go righty-tighty this time and make sure it's nice and snug. The side to fill your engine back up with oil is on the other side here where the rear brake pedal is. This is also the dipstick here to check your oil level. I am going to go ahead and put some SA30 oil in it. You're going to want to have a funnel to help you pour the oil in here. It should take about a quart. You're going to want to stick the dipstick back in there and screw it in and check the level. Make sure you have enough oil in there. And there it is. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but it is in the hash marks. So that's how you change the oil in your 1984 Honda ATC 185S.